And here's the latest look at satellite and radar across the area. We've got mostly sunny skies across the board. It's a beautiful morning for us across East Texas. Many of us dropped into the 60s earlier for the first time since early June. Right now, temperatures are sitting out in the low to mid 80s, so it's another pleasant morning for us overall. It's 86 degrees in Henderson, a bit warmer in Lufkin at 88, and we've got cooler temperatures in Tyler at 82 also in Mineola, and we have 80 degrees currently in Gilmer. Forecast highs for today will still climb to the mid and upper 90s in northern areas, and then the upper 90s down into deep East Texas. So it's still going to be a pretty warm one overall as we head into the afternoon, but enjoy the low humidity and the temperatures below 100 while they last, because we're going to see major changes tomorrow. We'll get a northeast wind today at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So the winds are a bit lighter than yesterday, which does help limit the fire threat a little bit. However, the humidity still very low out there, so avoid outdoor burning, dispose of cigarettes properly, and don't really do anything related to fire when you're outdoors. Now, as we head into the day on Thursday, like I said, big changes on the way. We'll climb back into the triple digits across the area. Unfortunately, we'll be back above 100 and stay there for quite some time. Main reason for that is we've got a southeast wind returning, so that starts to bring in some warm air from the Gulf of Mexico as opposed to the north wind, which is bringing some cooler air out from the southern plains. But as we take a look at the temperature trend over the next 7 days here, we are going to stay in the 100s. Now, do notice that the normal high is now down to 95 degrees, so the average high temperatures are finally getting cooler out there. So climatologically speaking, we're out of the hottest part of the year here in East Texas. However, it's not really responding that way with the temperatures over the next 7 days. We'll climb all the way up to 106 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So 3 days in a row in those mid to upper 100s out there. Wouldn't be surprised to break some record highs occasionally from time to time as we head into the weekend. We are also hot and dry for the most part over the next 7 days. However, we are tracking a future tropical wave that is going to develop in this yellow shaded area in the Gulf of Mexico here that could help increase moisture here in East Texas, depending on the exact track of this system. First of all, it has to develop in the first place. That's why it only has a 20% chance of development over the next 7 days. Once that tropical wave develops, we'll have a better idea of where exactly it will go. If it forms in this northern part of the circle closer to the Louisiana coastline, then we could see some increased moisture here, at least in deep East Texas. However, if it forms a little bit farther south in the southern part of the circle near the Bay of Campeche there near Mexico, then we will see little to no impacts from it. So it's all going to depend on the exact track of this tropical wave. So it's just something to keep an eye on for now, and that is reflected in the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, which is valid from August 21st through August 25th. So that is Monday through Friday of next week. We'll see above average rainfall chances in South Texas from Victoria up to San Antonio and down to Brownsville. That is where the most likely areas of the tropical wave will bring in some increased moisture. However, if it trends a little bit farther north, we could potentially see above average rain chances in deep East Texas heading into next week. We'll just have to wait and see. Areas along the north of Interstate 20, however, should stay pretty dry regardless of the exact track of that tropical wave. To recap our forecast for today, we'll be climbing into the upper 90s out there underneath mostly sunny skies. So a warm day overall, but again, low humidity for us, so not too bad. Northeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Another day with no heat alert, so just take those normal precautions outdoors today. For tonight, we drop down to either side of 70 degrees, so ranging between about 68 and 72. Mostly clear skies can be expected overnight, but that's when winds start to turn to the southeast. So that's why it's not going to be as cool tomorrow morning as what we've seen this morning, but still it's going to be pretty comfortable considering the time of the year. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We are going to see mostly sunny skies for the next 7 days. The hottest days of the next 7 are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, where we reach a high of 106. We stay hot and dry for northern areas on Monday and Tuesday. For deep East Texas, it is more of the same, hot and dry through the weekend. However, we will see the chance of a pop-up shower or a thunderstorm developing as we head into the afternoon Sunday and Monday, and then a slightly higher chance of rain on Tuesday, potentially associated with that tropical wave. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is ketk.com.